All right, good morning. I thought today would be a good day to see how our house is doing. Our tenants are doing, I should say. You might remember, if you saw it, this is a video we shot earlier this spring. I put up a little house. So let's see who's visiting today. At the top, these were supposed to be lacewings. Those are little bugs. They look sort of like dragonflies. Don't know much about them. But I don't see anybody moved in. So, alright, no lacewings. That's cool. Next one, this area here is supposed to be for leafcutter bees. The leafcutter bees get their name because, guess what? They cut leaves and they make their homes with leaf cuttings. So you see right the little finger, look at that. I see a leaf cutter right there. He's moved in. She's moved in, I should say. And over here too, another one. She moved in also. Now leaf cutters, like other bees, they're solitary bees. So they like to hang out by themselves, not in hive like honeybees. But looks like we have somebody moved in there. We'll cover him next, her next, whatever. Other bees. That looks a mason bee. Oh, we have a visitor. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That's so cool. Did you see that? A leaf cutter went in there. That's awesome. They're moving in. They're moving in. So, down here, this is supposed to be for ladybugs. You see that? No ladybugs. Done. Alright, no ladybugs want to come in. These holes are supposed to be for mason bees. Now mason bees are pretty cool. Like the other ones here, these are all big pollinators. I know them. Mason bees, leafcutter bees, awesome bees. Now the mason bees get their name because guess what? They're like little masons. They use mud, and it looks like that's what they're doing to collect their to make their holes in, like masonry, but it's mud. So that's pretty cool. And we got to see, guess what? A leafcutter in action. I hope you saw it. I'll watch the video later here and make sure we got it in there, but that's so cool. Alright, quick little video today here showing our house. No ladybugs, sorry. No lacewings, sorry. But looks like we got some mason bees moved in, and we got some leaf cutters moving in. In fact, we got a leaf cutter moving in right now. Alright, this is a fall, so, oh, there it goes. Oh, that was awesome. Because our leaf cutter went. Alright. Be kind to our bees. They're kind to us. Alright. Take care. Good luck. God bless you.